In this video, I'll be unboxing the Panasonic Lumix G7 just to give you an idea of what you get in the box when you buy it. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sam from Live Production Tips and Tools, and in today's video, I'm excited to actually unbox this Panasonic Lumix G7. I just want to give you an idea of what you get when you buy it, so you guys can see what's in the box. So without taking much time, let's get right into it. All right, so we got the box here. This is the box that you get, you know, all the fancy stuff. This is the kit that comes with two lenses, the 45 to 150 and the 12 to the 14 to 42 mm. And yeah, so that's basically the box. So let's open and let's see what's inside. First thing, we got a lot of documents in here. As you can see, yeah, just a user guide, normal user guide, okay, in a lot of languages. We got a DVD, another package full of documents. Let's open it, see if this is actually something we could use. So we got the CD or DVD. It's a DVD. Okay, some software. There's Photo Fan Studio for Windows. So I guess these are just some applications, and obviously the user manual as well on the DVD. I personally don't use this. I don't even have a DVD player anymore. But again, if you need it, make sure you just put it into your computer and see what's on it, okay? And we got a little flyer kind of thing that shows you the Panasonic accessories, like lenses. It's like a welcome thing to Lumix G family. I feel like I'm part of the family already. Yeah, so it has a little bit of guide. It shows you different lenses that you can get from Panasonic. So I would say, you know, if you have time, go through it, read it. It may be useful. And we've got another user manual. Actually, a lot of them in different languages. We got French, we got English, French, I guess Spanish. You know, it's a lot of documents. You know, personally don't read most of the time. I don't read them, but again, if you have time, go through them. A lot of questions that you may have about the camera may be in here, so make sure you read them if you can. All right, so let's keep going. Let's open the big part of the box and see what we got in here. So the first thing, we got the lens hood. So the lens hood for one of the lenses, I believe. And you get the first lens, which is the 45 to 150. You can see the zoom here, you know, the focus ring. It's nice and smooth. Okay, It's well protected. So yeah, so that's the lens. And next we have the second lens hood. For the second lens, and obviously the other lens, which is the 14 to 42 mm. Yep, so nice and smooth. A little bit of, you know, zoom. It's 14 to 42, and yeah, looks nice and clean. And next we got a little USB cable. So I don't know if you ever gonna use this. I haven't used any USB cable using this camera, but remember, you can use this USB cable actually to I'm not sure if this camera is compatible with the new app that you can use to connect your camera to as a webcam, actually using a USB cable like this to OBS. So I'm not sure if this if G7, the Lumix G7 is supported, but obviously if it is, then this cable will be useful. Also, you know, some people like to transfer files from their computer to, from their camera to their computer using a USB cable instead of using an SD card. If that's a way of doing it for you, then this cable would be useful. Personally, I always take out the card from the camera and plug it to my computer. But again, if you don't have an SD card slot on your computer, maybe this will be your best option to get to transfer files from the camera to the computer. So yeah, it might be useful. Let's go to next. Next we got, actually, oh, this is interesting. Yeah, next we got a small HDMI. No, it's not an HDMI cable. So this, I believe this is type C, and this is a different type. Okay, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Okay, this is type B. It says it on the USB. So this is USB type B. Okay, and you've got another USB cable that I'm not actually sure what it does. This is type A to, so this is type A to type something that I don't know yet, so I'll find out. But this is type A, this end, and to type B. So we'll find out. And the next thing is your charger. Okay, so you've got your charger for your battery. And the next thing is, let me see, the strap, the shoulder strap for the camera. I don't have to open it. And before I get to the camera, this is your plug for the charger. And I'll probably understand. So you got your battery as well. So you just open it. Yeah, so this is your battery, okay, for the camera. And actually, now I understand about the USB cable that we had, and I couldn't understand what it does. So the strange USB cable, I believe, is for the charger. So let's try it out. Okay, so the type B USB cable is for the charger. So as you can see, yep. So yeah, so it's for the charger, and you take this end, goes to the charger, and the other end to the power adapter. So now we know, okay, the mystery is solved. And this is probably for the camera. Okay, so I believe the box is almost empty except the man of the day, the amazing, beautiful Panasonic Lumix G7. So yeah, here it is, guys. This is it. So this is the camera. This is what you get. It's pretty light. It feels good though, you know. It feels good in your hands when you're shooting. You feel confident. Nice grip. You got all your dials here, you know, just testing it out, make sure it works, it's not a tie. And you got your flip screen, you know, you can flip the way you want, you know, nice and smooth. You got your battery where you plug your battery. So when you put in your battery goes here, and your SD card goes here. And let's see so this is the HDMI part. This is where you plug your HDMI. If you don't know, if it's your first time watching my videos, I just want to let you know that this camera has a clean HDMI, which means you can use it for live streaming with no problem, without having all the information on the screen. So yeah, so if you need to plug your USB, it goes here. And you got your mic jack, your mic input, and there's a little input jack here for a remote, if you want to remote to control the camera using a remote. And yeah, finally you got your flash, your built-in flash here. You got all the dials for different modes. Yeah, this is what the camera looks like. You got your sensor. Yeah, so guys, this is it. As you can see, everything is here. This is what you get when you order this kit that comes with 2 lenses and the camera. And this is pretty much it. I hope I give you an idea of what you get in the box. If you want to see different settings, how to set it up for your live streaming or recordings, make sure you check this playlist right here. I have done a lot of videos about this camera, so I don't want to talk much about it, but make sure you check this playlist. It's gonna contain different settings for this camera, how to use it, some samples of, you know, things that I have shot with it, but also it will teach you in general about all the features that you get from the camera. So make sure you stay tuned, and I will see you on my next video.